Hi, good morning. How are you? Do you have difficulty in losing your belly fat? I'm going to show you the most effective Ayurvedic remedy to melt your belly fat really quickly. This Ayurvedic remedy is actually good for summers. It also reduces your body heat during summers. This remedy will help you lose weight really quickly and also by reducing inches around your waist and belly area. It is a time-tested natural remedy. It is used in Ayurveda to get rid of stubborn belly fat. This recipe has been around since the ancient times. This is a very traditional recipe. Apart from melting your belly fat, it has a lot of other health benefits too. I'll tell you the benefits towards the end of this video. You can also check out my website, which is writerpath.com. So before we make this wonderful Ayurvedic remedy to melt belly fat, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. That way I'll know that you like the content what I create. So first I'll tell you how to make this remedy and then I'll show you how to consume this to get the maximum benefits out of it. I've got 100 grams of cumin seeds or jeera here. I'm going to fry it in very low heat. Cumin is an amazing natural ingredient when you want to lose weight fast. This is because cumin is rich in phytosterols that have the ability to absorb bad cholesterol, which is LDL cholesterol. It also helps to break down triglycerides and flush it out of the body. You just need to fry the cumin until it is fragrant. It helps to burn fats because of its high metabolic nature. The active ingredients in jeera stimulate the metabolism and help you lose weight. Once it is cooled down, we are going to transfer it to a mixer and grind it into a fine powder. Let's transfer this to a bowl. And the next important ingredient is dry grapes or raisins. I've got 100 grams here. Cumin seeds and raisins should be equal amount. I'm going to add it to the same blender that we used to powder the jeera. Then I'm using 25 grams of jaggery. Jaggery is a form of raw sugar. Jaggery contains a lot of iron, magnesium and potassium, which are necessary nutrients if you want to lose weight safely. And then I've got here is fresh ginger. I'm using 3 inches piece of it. First I'm going to remove the skin and chop them into pieces. I know some people don't remove the skin of ginger before using it in their cooking. The skin has actually a slight poisonous nature. It gives us indigestion. So always please remove the skin from ginger before you use it. I'm going to add these ginger pieces to the same blender. I'm going to add a little bit of water and grind this into a fine paste. Add this paste to a pan and also add the roasted cumin powder that we have already prepared and